Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we're going to create a dynamic progress bar in Excel that updates automatically based on task completion percentages. We'll break the process down into 3 main steps, so let's dive right in. First, we're going to set up conditional formatting to visually indicate task progress. Start by selecting the cells where you want the progress bar, excluding the header row. Next, go to the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting, and choose New Rule. Then select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. For tasks that aren't complete, we'll apply a red fill color. Enter equals E2, less than 100% as the formula. Go to Format, choose Fill, and select Red. Press OK to apply the rule. Now let's add another rule for tasks that are complete. Go back to Conditional Formatting, choose New Rule, and select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format again. This time, enter equals 100% as the formula, and choose a green fill color to represent 100% completion. Press OK twice, and our color-coded system is ready to go. Next, let's add data bars to represent progress visually. Go to Conditional Formatting, select Data Bars, and choose More Rules. Check Show Bar Only to display the bar without the cell's value. Set minimum to 0 and maximum to 1 to represent the full range from 0% to 100%. Choose white as the bar color, set bar direction to right to left, and press OK. In order to see the remaining percentage, enter equals 1 minus E2 in cell D2. This formula will subtract the current progress from 100, showing how much is left to complete. Now, here's a bonus tip. Let's add a scroll bar to manually adjust the progress percentage. Start by going to the Developer tab, selecting Insert, and choosing the scroll bar control. Place the scroll bar next to your progress bar cells. Then, navigate to Page Layout, click Align, select Snap to Grid, and adjust the bar to fit within the cell boundaries. Right-click on the scroll bar, select Format Control, and set the minimum to 0 and the maximum to 100. Link it to cell E2, so that adjusting the scroll bar will dynamically update the percentage in cell E2. Next, let's make sure our settings match the requirements for the progress bar. Begin by formatting column E as a number instead of a percentage. Update each conditional formatting rule we created by going to Manage Rules, selecting the rule with the formula equals E2 less than 100, and clicking Edit Rule to remove the percentage symbol. Do the same for the other rule. For the data bar, go back to Edit Rule, change the maximum value to 100, and press OK. Then, adjust the formula in D2 to equals 100 minus E2. You'll need to add a scroll bar for each cell if you want individual controls. Now your progress bar is ready to function seamlessly. And there you have it, a dynamic, interactive progress bar to visually track task completion in Excel. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.